If you're looking for a solid tool for your email and SMS marketing, this is the way to go. Now, this won't give you any trouble at all, and it's super easy to implement. In my case, I've implemented on my WooCommerce store, which is setting up super easy. All I have to do is install the plugin, connect it to my Omnisend store, and I'll be able to kick off the setup right from here. I'll be able to send out email campaigns, SMS, set up emails when someone abandons a cart, and it is just super easy to kick off automations and have a clear view of everything that's going on in my store. Let me give you a quick example of what I've accomplished and what you can accomplish super easy in less than 10 minutes. So this is Omnisend, and you have a quick dashboard where we have a goals view, overview, and live view. In this case, I am viewing the overview. This is connected to a demo store, so you won't see any revenue, but you get the idea. So you got your sales performance, you have your filters from here, you can view reports, and we can view the audience growth straight from here. So in this case, I have one SMS subscriber, which is reflecting right here. So it's super easy to do. Now, this was done because I've added a form on my website. So since I'm already connected, I can create my form right here, and that will reflect on my website, which is super practical. So I don't have to go back to the website and make some changes. I can do it straight from here and create it. First, it asks for the email, and step 2, I request the phone number. So I'm getting the email and the phone number so I can send out email campaigns or SMS campaigns straight from here. If I make changes, just go ahead and update the live form, and that will reflect on the website. So it's practical. If I need to create a brand new form, just go ahead and do so right here by creating a brand new form. There's a bunch of templates that you can start using right now that makes things super easy to kick off and get started here on Omnisend. Now, how easy is it to send out a campaign? Well, just go to campaign section, go and create a brand new campaign, and you have several available options. So you can send out an email campaign, an email with A/B testing, an SMS, or a push notification. Why? Because it's connected to the WooCommerce store, and I have all these tools available to start using right now. Let me give you a quick example. If I kick off the email campaign, I need to set up a few things right here. I can even use AI for the subject line and for the pre-header. Once I'm good to go, I can choose an email template. So let me go ahead and hit test right now. Choose an email template, and again, there's several available templates, and since Valentine is coming, this is what it's suggesting for me to start using. So go ahead and select the template, go through the process, and send those email campaigns right away or programmed, which is practical and easy to use. Now, same thing goes with the SMS. If I want to create a campaign, select the SMS right here, set all the details, and you'll be able to send out your campaigns via SMS too. So it's easy and practical. Now, what about automations? Well, they got you covered too. So go to automations, and right here, you will have the option to create a brand new workflow right here. And the cool thing about this is that we can start from scratch, which would be complicated in the beginning, but it's actually easy. But I would recommend getting started with a template that is super easy to use and straightforward, like the abandoned cart. Go ahead and select it right here, start customizing the automation, and you have the automation straight ready to go since it's already connected to the WooCommerce plugin in this case. But I can go ahead and customize this automation to make it even better. I can customize every section of the automation, and once I'm good to go, I can go ahead and start the workflow. In this case, I'm just going to save and close. Now, Omnisend has got you covered when it comes to email marketing and SMS marketing. The idea of this is to use a solid tool that's not going to give you trouble. So stop using other tools that are in beta stage, getting started, or just don't have the solid background that Omnisend has. So if you want to sign up right now, they do have a free plan, and yes, they also do have affordable plans that will help you get started right away. So go ahead and request a demo or start for free right now. And that's a wrap for Omnisend.